Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we will solve another quiz which is related to arithmetic expression. The quiz contains the basic operation, multiplication and division. So we have to solve this quiz using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. In the answer list we have four answers. A is 2, B is 4, C is 8 and D is 16. Let's see after solving it which answer is correct. So before starting the video, please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Now let's talk about what are the rules which we can apply to solve the given example. Here we will discuss PODMAS and PAMDAS. These rules we will apply to solve any arithmetic expression. And the rule says if your expression contains any bracket or parenthesis, so you have to solve that part first in your expression. After the bracket, you have to see the power of any number. If your expression contains any number which has the power, you have to solve that part after the bracket. Step number 3, you have to solve division and multiplication. So what you have to do, you have to go left to right in your expression and find out division and multiplication. Both have similar precedence, so you can solve any of them which is coming first. Similarly, for addition and subtraction, we have same rule. We can solve addition first if it is coming first. We can solve subtraction first if it is coming first. Now move forward, solve the given example. According to the BODMAS and PAMDAS rule, first of all, we have to solve the bracket, which is this one, 3 multiplied by 1. So, first of all, we have to solve this bracket or parenthesis. You can say we will write like this one 4 raised to power 2 divided by 8 multiplied by 3, 8 multiplied by 3 and divided by again 3 1 the 3. And here we have solved 1 multiplied by 3 equals to 3. First we solve the bracket. So here we write 3. Now move forward to step number 2. We have to solve the exponent part or order of operation. So now we have 4 raised to power 2. This one we have to solve 4 multiplied by 4 which is equals to 16 and divided by 8 multiplied by 3 divided by 3. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 4 raised to power 2 4 raised to power 2 equals to 16. And here we have this one. Okay. Now move forward to solve the division and multiplication and division. So what we can do here, the rule is same for both. Either you are using the BODMAS or PAMDAS. The rule is same. What you have to do, you have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have 16 divided by 8. So we have to solve this one first. 16 divided by 8, which is 2 multiplied by 3 and divided by 3. We will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 16 divided by 8 equals to 2. Now move forward again. We have to go left to right and find out which is coming first. So now we have to solve first 2 multiplied by 3 according to the rule. So 2 3 are 6 and divided by 3 we will write here as it is. And here we have to give the reference 2 multiplied by 3 equals to 6. Now we have two terms and we have division sign. So 16 divided by 3, we will get the answer is 2. So the answer of the given expression is 2. If you see the answer list, so answer A is the correct answer of this expression. So I hope you understand like how you can solve the given expression using PAMDAS and BODMAS method and find out the correct answer. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe my channel and share with others so they can learn these type of quizzes from my channel. Meet in next class. Bye bye. Allah.